Okay, good day grade 10 students. So again, this is Sir Larry M. Del Rosario, and for today's video, I will be teaching you the activity 10 in the K-12 learners module in Mathematics 10. Of course, it is with answer and solution on page 18 to 19, still under lesson 1, which is all about the arithmetic sequence. Okay, so feel free to watch the video and don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment to the video after watching it. Okay, thank you. So it is the activity 10, more on arithmetic sequences. Kung yung mga nakaraang activity, medyo madali nyo silang natutunan or nasagutan, so this time, kailangan yung maging creative or logical thinker on how you're going to solve different problems on arithmetic sequence, kasi hindi na siya basta number lang. This time it is a worded problem and it is the application of sequences. Okay, so hindi siya basta rote computation lang. Kailangan mong maging creative in solving it so that you will be able to come up with the correct answer. Okay, so use the nth term of an arithmetic sequence a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d to answer the following questions. Okay, so wag niyong kakalimutan yung nth term ng arithmetic sequence kasi yan lang yung gagamitin natin para masagutan natin yung iba't ibang tanong dito sa activity 10 ng module. Okay, so number 1. Find the 25th term of the arithmetic sequence 3, 7, 11, 15, and 19. So this time, direct lang natin gagamitin yung formula. So we have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So a sub n natin, ang value niya ang a sub n natin, papalitan natin ng a sub 25 since we are looking for the 25th term. Equals a sub 1, which is 3, plus, what is our n? 25. So 25 minus 1 times the common difference. So nakuha natin yung common difference by simply subtracting any two consecutive terms in the sequence. So let's say, for example, we have 19 minus 15, which is 4, 15 minus 11, which is 4, 11 minus 7, which is 4, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So our common difference is simply 4. So a sub 25 equals 3 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 times 4. So a sub 25 equals 3. 24 times 4 is 96. So that is 3 plus 96. So a sub 25 equals 99. So our 25th term is simply 99. The next question, so the second term of an arithmetic sequence is 24. Take note of that. And the fifth term is 3. Find the first term and the common difference. So this time, hindi na given yung a sub 1 and our common difference. Ang hahanapin natin ay yung ating a sub 1 at yung ating common difference. Okay, so magbe-base lang tayo doon sa ating given, which is the second term and the fifth term. So we'll go first with our second term. So a sub 2 equals a sub 1 plus, since n is equal to 2, so that is 2 minus 1 times d. A sub 2 is 24 equals a sub 1 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 times d, and that is d. So ililipat lang natin ililipat lang natin si common difference. So para maiwan si a sub 1, so you have a sub 1 equals 24 minus d. Okay, next is our a sub 5. So a sub 5 equals 24 minus d, kasi di ba ang formula natin a sub 1? So since we have a sub 1, alam natin na yung a sub 1 natin ay 24 minus d, isa-substitute na lang natin siya dito sa a sub 1 ni a sub 5. So 24 minus d plus 5, since that is the position of the term, minus 1 times the common difference. Hindi pa natin alam si common difference. So a sub 5 is simply 3 equals 24 minus d plus 5 minus 1 is 4 times d is d. So 3 equals 24 minus d plus 4d. 3 equals 24 plus negative d plus 4d is positive 3d. So we have 3 equals 24 plus 3d. So dito naman, ito yung kadugtong niya. So, ililipat lang natin si 24. Pagkasamahin natin si 3 at si 24. So, kung positive siya, magiging negative si 24. So, 3d equals 3 minus 24. 3d equals negative 21. And so, in order for us to find the common difference or the value of d, we are going to divide both sides by 3 kasi may kasamang 3 si d. So, 3d over 3 equals 21, negative 21 divide 3. So, cancel 3, we have d equals negative 21 divide 3 is simply negative 7. So, alam na natin yung ating common difference. This time, kukunin naman natin yung ating a sub 1. Yung a sub 1, if you still remember or notice, given naman yung ating second term, and that is 24. So, para makuha natin yung a sub 1, if we are adding to find the next term, ang gagawin naman natin para makuha natin yung previous term, we are going to subtract the common difference. So, a sub 1 equals 24 minus the common difference is negative 7, and that is equal to 24 plus 7 or 31. The next question, give the arithmetic sequence of 5 terms if the first term is 8 and the last term is 100. So, na-discuss ko na din to last time. So, dito, it is like the arithmetic means kasi given yung 5 terms ng sequence, 5 terms yung sequence, hahanapin natin yung tatlong nawawala sa gitna. Kasi ang given lang natin ay a sub 1 at yung ating a sub n, which is 100. So, let's start. So, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Ang gagamitin natin a sub 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi ko lang na-include. So, a sub 5 is simply 100 equals our a sub 1 is 8 plus yung position niya which is 5 minus 1 times the common difference. Hindi pa natin alam yung common difference. So, 100 equals 8 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 times d is 4d. So, pagkasamahin lang natin yung 100 at yung 8 or ililipat natin si 8 sa kabila. So, we have 4d equals 100 minus 8. Naging minus 8 na siya kasi positive siya dito. So, we have 4d. Okay, 4d equals 100 minus 8 and 100 minus 8 is 92. Okay, para makancel natin si 4, we are going to divide both sides by 4. So, 4d divides 4 equals 92 divide 4. So, cancel lang yung 4. D equals 92 divide 4 which is 23. So, gagawin na lang natin yan ay i-add natin yung common difference each term. Okay, so 8 plus 23 is 31 plus 23 is 54 plus 23 is 77. In question number 4, we are asked to find the ninth term of the arithmetic sequence given a sub 1 equals 10 and d equals negative 1 half. Parang kamukha lang din siya nung process na ginawa natin nung sa number 1. Kaya lang this time, may kasamang fraction. So, don't be deceived. Lalo na 1 half lang naman yung given. So, that doesn't mean that it is a hard item. Okay, so we are looking for a sub 9 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. A sub 9 equals, our a sub 1 is 10 plus the quantity 9 minus 1. 9 kasi 9 yung position ng term na hinahanap natin times negative 1 half which is our common difference. So, a sub 9 equals 10 plus 8 times negative 1 half. A sub 9 equals 10 minus 8 times negative 1 half is negative 8 over 2. A sub 9 equals 10, negative minus 8 over 2, kapag sinimplify natin siya, that is simply 4. So, a sub 9 equals 10 minus 4, a sub 9 equals 6. So, mas madali naman ito. Number 5, Find a sub 1 if a sub 8 equals 54 and a sub 9 equals 60. So this time, ang hinahanap natin, a sub 1. As you notice, yung given natin ay a sub 8 and a sub 9. And a sub 8 and a sub 9 are consecutive terms. Okay. So, pwede natin isubtract yung dalawa para makuha natin agad yung ating common difference. So, common difference equals a sub 9 minus a sub 8, which is equal to 60 minus 54. And 60 minus 54 equals 6. Okay, so we have a sub 8 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So, pwede nyo din naman gamitin si a sub 9. So, sa akin, ang ginamit ko lang ay a sub 8. So, 54 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity 8 minus 1, which is our n, 8 siya. Yung common difference natin ay 6. So, times 6. Okay, so 54 equals a sub 1 plus 8 minus 1 is 7 times 6. 54 equals a sub 1, hindi pa rin natin alam yung value ni a sub 1, plus 42. Okay, so ililipat ko lang si 42 sa kabila dahil sila yung pwede natin i-evaluate. So, a sub 1 equals 54 minus 42, and a sub 1 equals 12. How many terms are there in an arithmetic sequence with a common difference of 4 and with first and last terms 3 and 59 respectively? When we say respectively, 3 refers to the first and 59 refers to the last term. Okay, una natin gagawin. Let us first identify the given. Given yung common difference natin, di ba? That is 4. Given yung a sub 1 natin, that is 3. And given yung a sub n natin, hindi pa natin alam yung value ni n. Since this is the last term, equals 59. Kung ano yung value ni n, sorry. Okay, so kung ano yung value ni n, yun din yung number ng terms natin in an arithmetic sequence. Kasi, let's say for example, this is the last term. Kung yun yung pang last term natin, meaning, yun na yung total nung, hindi total, yun yung dami, kung ilan yung terms ng arithmetic sequence natin. So, our task is to find for the value of n. Kasi hindi natin alam kung pang ilan si 59. By using the formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d, yung a sub n natin 59 equals yung a sub 1 natin ay 3 plus n minus 1, hindi pa natin alam yung value ni n, times 4, which is our common difference. 59 equals 3 plus, if you're still familiar with the distributive property, so pwede natin i-distribute si 4 doon sa naka-parenthesis. So 4 times n is 4n, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So 59 equals 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So we have 4n minus 1. So ililipat ko lang ulit si negative 1, pagkasamahin ko sila ni 59. So we have 4n equals 59. Dahil negative siya, magiging positive. So 4n equals 59 plus 1 is 60. We divide both sides by 4 so that matitira lang yung ating n. So 4n divide 4 equals 60 divide 4. So cancel yung 4, n equals 60 divided by 4 is 15. In number 7, which term of the arithmetic sequence is negative 18 given that a sub 1 equals 7 and a sub 2 equals 2. So, tinatanong dito kung anong term yung negative 18. So, this time, hinahanap pa din natin yung value ng ating n. So, kung mapapansin ninyo, we have a sub 1 at a sub 2 na given. So, through that, we can easily determine our common difference kasi they are consecutive terms. We can subtract 2 by 7. So, d equals a sub 2 minus a sub 1 equals 2 minus 7 equals negative 5. So, our common difference is negative 5. And then, we proceed with the formula. So, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Yung a sub n natin, 18. equals a sub 1 natin ay 7 plus n minus 1. Hindi pa natin alam yung value ni n times negative 5, which is our common difference. So negative 18 equals 7 plus, again, we are going to use the distributive property. So negative 5 times n is negative 5n. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. So negative 18 equals 7. Ilalabas na natin yung numbers sa parenthesis so that we can evaluate it. Since positive to, i-write lang natin siya as is kasi positive naman yung katabi niya sa labas ng parenthesis. So that's simply negative 5n plus 5. Negative 18 equals 12 minus 5n. So this time, ililipat natin si 12, isasama natin siya kay negative 18. So negative 5n na iwan na siyang mag-isa equals negative 18. Kung kanina positive 12 siya, magiging negative 12 na. So negative 5n equals negative 18 minus 12 is simply negative 30. And we are going to divide both sides by 5 so that ang matitira lang natin ay n. So negative 5n over negative 5 equals negative 30 over negative 5. So cancel na yung negative 5, we have n equals negative 30 divided by negative 5, and that is 6. Positive 6 kasi they are same or like sign. In number 8, how many terms are in an arithmetic sequence whose first term is negative 3, common difference is 2, and the last term is 23? So this time, we are still looking for the value of n. Ang given lang natin, a sub 1 which is equal to negative 3, our a sub n equals 23, hindi pa natin alam yung value ni n, and our common difference which is equal to 2. So using the formula, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. So a sub n natin ay 23. Hindi pa natin alam kung anong position niya. So a sub 1 is negative 3 plus n minus 1 times d. So our d is 2. So times 2. 23 equals negative 3 plus, we are going to use the distributive property. So 2 times n is 2n times 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So we have 23 equals negative 5 plus 2n because negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. Next, pagkasamahin natin si negative 5 at si 23. So kung negative siya, magiging positive na yung 5. So 2n equals 23 plus 5. 2n equals 28. Since we are only looking for the value of n, we are going to divide both sides by 2. So 2n over 2 equals 28 over 2. So cancel na yung 2. N equals 28 divided by 2, and that is 14. So our answer is 14. So in number 9, ito medyo challenging kasi you have to solve for the variable. So para ma-solve mo yung variable, you have to form an equation. An equation. Okay, so equation. So what must be the value of k so that 5k minus 3, k plus 2, and 3k minus 11 will form an arithmetic sequence? Okay, so para mas madalian kayo, imagine niyo na ito ay mga term lang. Yung a sub 1 natin ay 5k minus 3, yung a sub 2 natin ay k plus 2, yung a sub 3 natin ay 3k minus 11. Okay. Para makabuo tayo ng equation, alam nyo naman diba, na kapag pinag-subtract natin yung two consecutive terms, we will yield with common difference, the same answer. Ibig sabihin, kapag minus natin si a sub 3 kay a sub 2, equal lang siya kapag minus natin si a sub 2 kay a sub 1. So, ganun yung gagawin natin. Okay? So, ima-minus natin to, equal siya sa pag minag-minus natin itong dalawa. So, k plus 2 minus 5k minus 3 equals 3k minus 11 minus k plus 2. So, ang una natin task ay aalisin natin lahat ng naka-open and close parenthesis. So, k plus 2, didistribute natin yung negative sign. So, minus 5k, negative times positive, we have positive 3 equals 3k minus 11. Distribute lang ulit natin yung negative sign. So, we have negative k, negative times positive 2 is negative 2. Okay, so pagkasama-samahin lang natin lahat. So, k minus 5k is negative 4k. 2 plus 3 is positive 5 equals 3k minus k is 2k. Negative 11 minus 2 is negative 13. Okay, pagkasamahin natin ngayon yung parehas na may k at yung parehas na constant. So, negative 4k, ililipat natin si positive 2k, magiging negative 2k. Equals, negative 13, ililipat natin si 5, magiging negative 5. Negative 4k minus 2k is simply negative 6k. Equals, negative 13 minus 5 is negative 18. So, what we need to do is to divide both sides by negative 6 kasi meron siyang kasamang negative 6 in order for us to find the value of k. So, negative 6k divide negative 6 equals negative 18 divide negative 6. So, cancel na yung negative 6, magkakaroon tayo ng k. And negative 18 divided by negative 6 is simply 3 since they have like sign or they are like sign. So for our last number, find the common difference of the arithmetic sequence with a sub 4 equals 10 and a sub 11 equals 45. So ang given lang natin ay a sub 4, tapos a sub 11 lang, tapos yung common difference ay nahanap natin. Yung a sub 4 natin ay 10 and a sub 11 equals 45. So ito yung medyo challenging or siguro pinaka-challenging sa activity na to kasi marami kayong process na gagawin. Okay, so gagawa tayo ng equalities or equation. So, a sub n equals a sub 1. Uunahin natin yung a sub 4. Tapos, isosolve ulit natin yung a sub 11. Tapos, i-equate natin yung both a sub 1. Kasi, diba, parehas silang a sub 1. Ibig sabihin, ito, tsaka ito, parehas ng value. So, using a sub 4, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus a quantity n minus 1 times d. A sub 4 equals a sub 1. Hindi natin alam yung value ni a sub 1. Plus, our n is 4 minus 1 times d. So, 10 equals a sub 1 plus 3d. So, ililipat lang natin yung ating 10 sa kabila, sa katabi ni 3D para ma-equate natin si a sub 1. So, a sub 1 equals 10 minus 3D. Next, a sub n equals a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. So, since a sub 11 naman, we are going to use a sub 11 equals a sub 1 plus the quantity 11, kasi yung n natin, minus 1 times d. 45 yung value ng a sub 11 natin equals a sub 1 plus 11 minus 1 is 10 times d is 10d. A sub 1 equals 45 minus 10d. So this time, i-equate na natin tong dalawang a sub 1 since pareha sila ng value. Okay, so a sub 1 equals a sub 1. So yung una nating a sub 1 ay 10 minus 3d. Yung pangalawa nating a sub 1 ay 45 minus 10d. Pagsasamahin lang natin lahat ng may variable na d at yung mga constant number. So, negative 3d, lilipat ko si negative 10d magiging positive 10d equals 45. Ililipat ko si 10, positive 10 yon magiging negative 10. So, negative 3d plus 10d is positive 7d. 45 minus 10 is 35. So, para makuha natin si value ni d, we are going to divide both sides by 7. So, cancel na si 7, matitira na lang ay d. And 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you have learned something sa naging discussion natin ngayong araw. Please do like, subscribe on my channel. And please leave a comment if this video was quite helpful to you. And do not forget to click the notification bell so that you will be updated on my next video about grade 10 mathematics. And of course, marami pa akong mga i-discuss na activities sa K-12 learners module. Okay, in Mathematics 10. So that's all for today. Good day and thank you for watching.